Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today, we are talking about this major outbreak coming up. Big severe weather coming up here. This severe weather threat could be very bad. So we're going to talk about tomorrow. So there's an enhanced risk of severe weather tomorrow for Oklahoma City, Norman, Fort Still, Wichita Falls, Dallas, Texas, and a slight risk. Marginal risk extends from Austin all the way up to Springfield, Kansas City, Missouri. And there's another marginal risk for Duluth, Minnesota here. But the main threat is going to be down here in Oklahoma City here. But what we are concerned about is PDS tornadoes. This strong, significant tornadoes here. And it's right here in this left corner. So very significant tornadoes here. So this storm could produce significant tornadoes here. The winds are going to be significant, and the hail is going to be significant. But we are looking at a potential tomorrow for a moderate risk for tornadoes and wind and hail. So that's why we're going to watch out. Also, we also got to watch out for Chicago on on Monday. Here's that slight risk. So here's a slight risk. So the slight risk includes 26,923 million people. Includes Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, St. Louis, Missouri, Fort Wayne, Indiana, and Grand Rapids, Minnesota. And the marginal risk includes Memphis, Tennessee, Milwaukee, Wyoming, Wisconsin, Louisville, Kentucky, Madison, Wisconsin, Rockfield, Illinois. Okay? Then we're going to check out the day 4 here. Day 4 includes Wichita, Kansas, Layton, Oklahoma, and Oklahoma, Kansas, and Hutchinson, Kansas here. There could be a moderate risk by day 1. So that is what we're talking about here. Then we're going to go back to the snowstorm part of the storm here. So we have winter storm watches out here, because there's going to be lots and lots of snow here. So winter storm watches, so we're going to check it out. So this is heavy snow is possible. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 10 inches, possibly in the foothills with accumulations of 12 to 18 inches, and the high terrain. Winds could gust as high as 35 miles per hour. Portions of central and northwest and west central Wyoming wind from late Sunday night through Tuesday morning. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazard could impact the morning or evening commute. Let's check out our models here, because some models are predicting a cool down where I'm at. See some snow. Here's that big blizzard here. You can see the snow wrapping up here. You can see this. This is going to be a very big blizzard. Then we're gonna see this. But see. There's some that looks like the polar vortex to me. Big cool down coming in here. Big cool down coming down here, and watch what happens. Another storm just spools up. But look, it combines with another system. See if this storm combines together and brings cold air, and it gets combined with the warm air, we could see a snowstorm out of this. So this is something to keep an eye on here. Something to really keep an eye on here. Could be a big snowstorm for Halloween for the Northeast, just letting you know. But we're going to check out the...
You call this a room? This is a pigsty. I want you to straighten up this area now. You are a disgusting slob. Stand up straight.
Stop it.
Tuck in that shirt. Adjust that.
So you can see there's that severe threat on Sunday. Storms develop. You can see the storms start to develop here around Sunday afternoon. You can see these storms start to...
Wipe that smile off your face.
Look at that. Those are intense thunderstorms, very intense storms.
What is that? A twisted sister pin on your uniform? What kind of a man are you?
Sorry guys, it's just turned down a little bit.
You do nothing. You are nothing. You sit in here all day and play that sick.
And that fret, this is Wednesday's fret, so storms will pop up around little thunderstorms. These could produce significant tornadoes here. So the next couple days could be very active. And then we're going to go to AccuWeather here.
What do you want to do with your life?
This is a blockbuster. Can you turn it off?
I want to rock.
Look at this.
I know. So this snowstorm here is going to produce 12 to 24. And turn it off, please. Stop! Turn it off.
We ain't gonna take that weather.
So you see snow here. Unseasonably cold. 20 to negative below normal. Here is that big severe weather threat we're talking about. This is AccuWeather's version. I know I've been on the couple sites, but this severe weather threat is going to be significant. So we're going to have to watch for late Sunday into late Sunday night. Flash flooding, isolated tornadoes, but possibly strong tornadoes right in this corner here. Large hail, damaging winds, storm max of 80 miles per hour. Okay, Monday to Monday night. Isolated tornadoes, hail, flash flooding, damaging winds. AccuWeather local storm max of 75 miles per hour. Then we're going to see the severe weather potential here for this big area here from moderate risk. Tuesday night into Tuesday night. So we have a primary season here. Primary season and a secondary. We're in our secondary severe weather season. But the big storm is going to also produce 40 mile per hour to 60 mile blowing dust, difficult travel, little disruptions, potential rapid fire spread, AccuWeather local storm max of 90 miles an hour. Here's heavy snow showers, big cold front, very windy, much cooler. Wildfire possibility is likely. 20 to negative 30 below temperatures. Winds in Denver 6. Local storm max of 100 miles per hour. Woo! This storm's going to bring the largest cool down to the country. So, if you're ready for winter, be ready for winter. This is just how it is. It's how it is. People need to be on high alert for This is a high wind safety, but we don't need to watch that. So make sure you guys like this video. Another video coming at you tomorrow morning before church. Stay tuned. See you guys in the morning.